98 Acura Integra, and has 335,000 miles on it. Okay, this bad boy has needed every wheel bearing, so I replaced the driver's side front wheel bearing, and yeah, let's just say the rest of them are shot. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that back there. But anyway, oh, do you hear that? But anyway, got a couple other issues with this thing. It's doing a weird check engine light flash, and it's missing. So I ran some Marvel mystery oil through it, and put new plug wires on it. Had kind of a weird plug wire, but see if you can see this when I take off here. But once you get past like 3, it's got full power. So I don't know, I'm thinking you know, from what I've been reading, bad head gasket, clogged injectors, clogged cat. So I'm going to, of course, do these wheel bearings today because it's there's a little snow on the ground, so a little snow there, and we'll see if we can get it. We'll see if we can get it figured out. So, all right, keep you guys updated. Later.